How to use Photoshop AI generative fill. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the brand new AI generative fill that Photoshop brought in for us, and we're going to be doing it in the easiest, most fun way possible. So to get it, you're going to come to Adobe's very own website, and you can get a free trial or buy it right now through the Photoshop features. Now, how are we supposed to use it? It's pretty simple. All right. So what we're going to do is, any image that we have in our Photoshop, let's say this one right here. Now, what we're going to do over here is you see these left-hand prompts on our side. Now, in these prompts, we're going to choose this one over here to select a region in our photo. So let's say I'm going to just select a random region in the photo, right? Or you can do the same with, let's say, over here. So you can see that person chose the box that I told you. They selected the region. And then once you select the region, it's going to give you the option for generative fill. And once you click on generative fill, you can either tell it to, generate something by itself using its own AI mind, or you can give it a prompt to add. But you're just going to choose the area and click on generative fill, and that should do things for you. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. That's how you use Photoshop AI generative fill. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.